Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this COSORI stainless steel food dehydrator. This is model number CP267-FD. So here my son-in-law has made some deer jerky, and you can see it took 6 hours and it tastes really good. But let's go over, this is super simple to operate. It's got a little door you open up here. It's got these trays. We can put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trays in. You close it, you set the temperature, whatever you want. He put it on 165 and the time was 6 hours. You can adjust that also, and then you just hit start. It's very quiet. It's got a fan around back. There's what the back side looks like. And so the specs are 120 volts, 60 hertz, 600 watts. Temperature range is from 95 degrees to 165. All right, let's measure these trays. So they're right at 13 inches and they're 12 inches going this way. So let's see. Yeah, it looks like the 12 inches is this as you slide it in. Let's go over distances between. Okay, so overall height from the bottom tray is about 9 inches. But we get about an inch, about an inch and a half between trays. There's a fan, and the heating element is back there behind the fan. So yeah, this made some really good. This tastes really good. Okay, so when you first get it, you're going to want to put the trays in and turn the temperature on 165 for 30 minutes. That's going to kind of help clean them, and then you also want to wash the trays off. These are dishwasher safe. And it also does come with this plastic sheet. So if you've got some food that's going to fall down between these little holes, you can use this. And those little holes look to be about, about half inch wide, half inch by half inch. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.